This video introduces the operations related to CoProcess software drawings. 1. New drawing. You can create a new drawing using the new drawing function. 2. Activate drawings. The software supports loading multiple drawings, but drawing and editing operations can only be performed on already activated drawings. Right-click on the corresponding drawing node and click on Activate Drawing. 3. Save drawing. Click Save As to save the drawing. You can choose to save the drawing as a DWG or DXF file and select the corresponding year. For automatic saving of drawings, the drawings will be automatically saved every 5 operations. When data needs to be removed from the view, you can select one or more data files and right-click to delete them.